I just wanted to remind everybody before we begin today's experiment to make sure whenever you are working with an open flame that you have an adult nearby and something ready to put any accident fires out. Thank you. Hello everybody, my name is Miss Maggie and today I'm going to show you how to fit an egg inside of this can. What you're going to need is an egg, a piece of paper, a lighter or a match, and a glass bottle that the egg does not fit in. Does everybody see it doesn't fit? You want to see a magic trick? Are you ready? Are you ready? Okay, so here's what you do. Take the egg off, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to light this paper on fire, if I can do that. Alright, so it is in there. Oh, is it out? I'm going to put the egg on top. Ta-da! And now you get a little bit of smoke too. Ready? Look, the egg's really in there. Do you see it? Just kidding, just kidding, just kidding. You see the egg? You see the egg? Just kidding. So let me show you guys how it happens. So first off, we have the egg sitting on the bottle and it's burning, right? And these little O's that I have here is oxygen, right? So the fire is burning up all the oxygen inside of the bottle, but it can't get any more inside because the egg is blocking the airway. So what happens when the fire is gone and it's burned up all of the oxygen, it creates a vacuum because it creates pressure of all the oxygen outside trying to get back inside for that fire. So it creates pressure and a vacuum, which pushes the egg down.
Which makes it, yeah, because
and then once the egg goes down and the egg's inside of it, you have oxygen everywhere and it's all so happy. Yay! Okay, you want to do it again? Are you guys ready? Now we have my lovely assistant. What is your name? Say your name to the audience.
Ben McDuff.
He said Ben McDuff. Okay, light it on fire. Wait, stand back so you can see. Come stand over here.
I stand over here.
I'm gonna put it in there. Ready? Is it gonna work this time? You guys see that? Whoa! Oxygen is an element in the periodic table that makes up about 21% of air. Fire comes from a chemical reaction between oxygen in the atmosphere or air and some sort of fuel like wood or gasoline, or in this case, a piece of paper. When the paper gets lit from the lighter, it starts to use the oxygen in the atmosphere to burn. However, once the fire eats up all the oxygen in the space it's in this case the bottle, it dies out because there is nothing left for the fire to have the chemical reaction with and keep it going. It's why you can't light any fires in space. So after the fire is put in the bottle and the egg is put on top of it, sealing it in, you can see that the fire quickly eats up all of the oxygen inside the bottle and then goes out. As it cools, the air contracts and the pressure inside the bottle becomes less than the pressure outside, and then the higher pressure starts to push the egg into the bottle. Pressure is just how much force something is pushing on something else, or in this case, how much force from the air is pushing on the egg. As you can see right here, the egg starts to go in to the bottle because of the amount of force from the air pushing on it.